honeys. How's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Okay, today I'm fixing some ribeye steaks and potatoes. I'm fixing everything in the air fryer. So these are my potatoes. I have peeled them and sliced them in half and seasoned them, and I got some pats of butter in there. Got them in this little metal pan with some chicken broth. I'm gonna put them in the air fryer, so they've already cooked for 15 minutes. So they're not totally soft, so I'm gonna fix them for another 15 minutes. And I've prepared my steak. It's been sitting out for about 15 minutes. I washed it, seasoned it. I put yellow mustard on it. Put my seasoning on there. What else I do? And I put some Worcestershire. What's this here sauce on here? So these are just marinating right now in the plate. So when the potatoes get done, then I'll put the steak in there. The already hot air fryer. Okay. I'll be back. I'm smelling these potatoes and they smell so good. It's nice and seasoned and buttery. Let me see. Stick this skewer. That's what I use. One of these skewers that come with the air fryer. I test meat. I test everything. Oh, it's soft. Okay. Like a baked potato. Nice and seasoned. So I'm going to take this out. I'll put this on the stove. Trying to pull this handle up. I ain't burning myself. There you go. Still got foil in it. To hold the liquid. Well. Okay, putting this on the stove for now. I'll put it over here. Now I'm putting my steak up in here. Y'all see what I'm doing? 2 ribeye steaks. They're thin. Like I said, I marinated the steaks with mustard and my seasonings. Do nothing else to the steak. Turn this off. Now what I'm gonna put it on. Let me see what's the steak setting. They're gonna cook longer than 6 minutes. I think about 9 minutes for medium well. Okay, so I'm gonna set the time for 9 minutes. Okay, and I will be back. And I can't find my fake A1 sauce. I usually put this on it and the fake A1 sauce, or real A1. Somebody must have used it up and eased the bottle in the garbage. Okay, well I'll make this do. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, I'm smelling my steak now, so I'm thinking it's done. It's been cooking for 7 minutes. It's done medium well. Look at that. Hear the sizzle. This is on a rolling countertop tray. So I'll leave the link for it. Very convenient. Very handy for pulling my tray in and out away from the wall. I got my plate prepared, y'all. I didn't turn the steak, and it cooked. You all see that? So it's done. Stop it. Unplug it. Put my plug over here so Brother Man don't sit this air fryer on top of it. Well, let me get a thumbnail before I do anything. Okay, here's my ribeye steak, Sunday dinner with a little bit of lettuce, potatoes. I call them baked potatoes because they taste just like them. I cut them and I put butter on the potatoes and a little bit of cheddar cheese on some toasted bread. So I'm going to put some sauce on the steak. If y'all want to see me taste a piece of steak, so I got the sauce on. It look good. Y'all see me? I don't want to see no pink. I don't like my steak to still be moving and walking around the field. That's how it looks. Nice and tender. Just like I like it. So I'm about to go get my eat on. I want to thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed day. Bon appetit. Bye.